Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a quick video. Today I just wanted to share with you guys the unboxing of the minted by RAK wireless. Some of you might know I was able to score a couple of these bad boys on Tuesday when they opened up the orders for the minted miners program that RAK wireless recently announced. And again, like I said, they just opened it up on Tuesday. They sold out within a few hours, and but they are bringing more. If you want to know how you can grab a couple of these, what you need to do is go to getmntd.com, getmntd.com, and bookmark that page and check it daily, because what they're going to do is they're going to have a counter showing you when they are going to have more stock. And when they have stock, they're going to have a counter showing you how many units are left, or at least the percentage of units left. And it's the only way that you can know. But if you do that and you're able to grab these, this is what I am most excited about, is their promise to ship these, and they have delivered. Once your order is placed, our goal is to ship it in less than 48 hours. And my friends, they have. Like I said, I ordered mine on Tuesday, and today is Thursday. I'm looking at my calendar there just to make sure that I'm not saying wrong stuff here. Today's Thursday. So I'm getting mine in 2 days. I did pay for the air shipping, which costed me an extra $15 compared to the ground shipping, but I am in Florida and they are shipping from California. So it's expected to take a little longer if you do the ground shipping, because basically it's transported via ground versus on a plane that will be in Florida within a day. So what can I say? I'm just super excited, guys, and I am going to share with you guys the unboxing here in the video that I will be posting here in just a minute. And I will be attaching this unit to the Rockland 8 dBi antenna, which I intend to use for a little while and see how it does. If it doesn't perform to my liking, then I also have 5.8 dBi antennas by Rockland that I will be switching. So I will switch the 8 dBi to the 5.8 if my 8 dBi doesn't perform to what I'm expecting. So I'm pretty much ready to roll, and I'm just excited. So thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned. The video for the unboxing is coming right up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day. Hey everybody, welcome to this short video. I wanted to show you guys a little package I received today. As you can see, I got the minted gold spot miner by RAK wireless. I ordered 2 of them on Tuesday and I got them today. They delivered on their promises to ship those items very quickly, and I have them here. And of course I also received the Rockland 8 or 5.8 dBi antennas. That's no surprise, because Rockland always ships pretty fast if the item is in stock and for free to anywhere in the United States. And if you're in Florida like I am, Rockland is based here in Florida out of Gainesville, so most items will be shipped quickly, and usually receive them within 2 days, 2 business days. If you order on a Friday, don't expect it on Saturday or Sunday, but you'll probably get it on Monday or Tuesday. But if you order on a Monday or a Tuesday, you're probably going to get your item by Thursday, latest Friday. And again, that is free shipping in the US by Rockland, you can see there. Anyways, so the miners, here they are, very nicely packaged. When you open up the the box, they have this little foam cover on the top, protecting them very nicely. And I'm going to keep this one in the box because this one will be going to another property. But yeah, that's what it looks like. That one to the side. And let's see here, what do we got here? Looks like the power and the antenna, which doesn't really matter because I will be attaching this particular one to a Rockland 8 dBi antenna. Hopefully works out nicely. If it doesn't, then I will be swapping the 8 dBi for one of these 5.8s and see how that works. I know the 5.8 is going to work well in this area, but I've had the 8 dBi for a while and I want to give it a shot and see how that does. And let's pull this bad boy out of here. Got a little weight to it, but very nice, guys. Very, very nice, as you can see. Gold. Not real gold, but real gold color. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Nicely packaged. And even better delivery and keeping their promises. So yeah, that is a quick look at the minted gold spot miner by RAK Wireless. Ordered it on Tuesday and today is Thursday and I already have it. So pretty awesome, guys. I am really excited and happy mining. We'll see y'all soon. Bye.